Hey, I'm sorry if this is gonna harm you, but the truth will always be the truth. If you are in a relationship and that relationship you say that it's not beneficial, it is a toxic relationship, you know what? Get out of that thing. That's not a relationship. It's something to take you to your early grave. I hope you understand what I'm saying. You've been hurt so many times, and the only word you will hear after being so much hurt, it's a sorry. Sometimes the sorry does not heal the wounds. The sorry does not heal the inside. Get away from that relationship. Loko swi vona ku kwalanga ka relationship yaleyo nga ka yo a yi na mpfuno wa nchumu leswaku ku ba n'wana u lehisa u tshama u tafa u fela swa ka swi nga ri kona ku na vavanuna le handle va lava ku lavaka ku teka va ku endla nsati mjita loko cheri u yi vona ku nga ku kahle a swi fambisani u tshama record huma ku na ticheri le handle ti lavaka ku va ti tekiwa ti endliwa vavasati huma ka munhu yaloye relationship yin'wana na yin'wanyana loko u vona ku nga ka a yi na way forward huma ka xixexe a xi na ntirho machita uma ngabe ni vona ngathi le relationship okuyo a yi na msebenzi vona ngathi a yi sebenzi no just get out of it ngoba kuyafana. If it's a toxic relationship, one of the good days you're gonna kill each other. Nizobulalana. Phuma kuleyo nto. Lalela mina, phuma. Ukuthi unomntana naye kusho lutho. A child is a gift from God. Phuma kuleyo muntu. Hope siyazwana. If this truth is gonna hit you hard, my bad. Askis. Kodwa iqiniso lizohlezi liqiniso.